Hello Travelers, so today I want to do a quick review and comparison between the genuine HEROCLIP Mini and the fake version, which is about a third of the price. The HEROCLIP is a carabiner with a rotating flexible hook on the other end. When I first saw it, I knew immediately that it would be very useful for when you need to hang your bag, especially in places like bathrooms without a coat hook on the door. A regular carabiner on its own is very handy for travel. There are many situations where they often will be useful, hanging bags or clothes to dry, for example. But when I first saw the HEROCLIP with a hook, I thought it was such a great idea. In actual use, it has been very practical. The rubber tip at the end of the hook doesn't move and provides a good grip in various hanging situations, like for example on the edges of tables or the edges of window sills. The only annoying thing about the HEROCLIP is that it's a little bit annoying to clip the hook back into the carabiner clip here, as you need to twist it and pull the lever back before it actually clips into place. The clip itself weighs 0.7 ounces, which is about 19 grams, and holds up to 40 pounds or 18 kilograms. The medium version holds 60 pounds or 27 kilograms, but I prefer the size of the mini because the medium feels just a bit too large. In terms of the genuine HEROCLIP versus the fake one, they both feel very solid and well made. I have the fake one here in the red color and the genuine one in the black color. The genuine HEROCLIP Mini costs about $15 or in Australia it's about 30 Australian dollars. The fake one I got on AliExpress was just $7 or 10 Australian dollars. The 360 spinning on the genuine clip feels much more firm and stiff, whereas on the fake one it's a little tiny bit looser but still feels very solid. They both support the same amount of weight and are both the exact same size. The only real difference I could notice was that the studs in the fake one seem slightly larger and the finish on the genuine one seems a bit nicer too. But overall I can't really see much of a reason to pay 3 times more for the genuine one. Overall a really nice and useful carabiner to carry with you in your bag or in your pocket, and it will be very useful for places where there are no hooks, especially on toilet doors or places where you need to lift your bag up off the ground. So that's it, thanks very much for watching, and be sure to let me know in the comments if you've tried this or you recommend another style of clip, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.